Carbonado River Rainforest Loop Trail. It's a little 3/10 of a mile. Here, June, was it 2nd, I guess? Sunday. Rainy up here, but hey, you know, you can't control Mother Nature, so might as well get out and enjoy what she offers for you, whether take it or leave it. Anyway, I did this trail last year. It's the one I did, Duck's Waterfall. That was really fun. Oh man, they've done some chopping here lately, it looks like. It was, I did up the Western Boundary Trail, if I recall correctly. And yeah, that was really fun. I learned then, I had to cross these as they was icing over. Yeah, bad enough crossing it right now when it's slick. But anyway, I'm just kind of coming up here, check this out again. Here, get out, do something. Like I said, this ain't a long trail. Ooh. Oh man. Oh wow, look at the root system on this bad boy. Oh. Man. Boy, all these trees they chopping down, I hope they're making a new walkway. Goodness gracious. Gotta walk on bare ground in this crap. That's how you break an ankle. Ain't got it, people. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that clear water. Coming cruising right on through. Here we go. I'm just going to do the loop trail this time. I went to the right. It took me up the western boundary, excuse me. Now, I'm going to go this way and loop back around. Oh, the mud. Ugh, then I got my head. Oh, looks like they are making it. Hey, there we go. Ha ha. Oh, this is a lot better. It's still uneven, but heck, a lot better than it was, that's for sure. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Ugh. Goodness gracious, hang on, y'all. Keep from... Ugh. Wow. Oh. There's so many dark crevices around here. Ugh. Ugh. Anyway, it's just not even a third of a mile loop. It just loops around. But as you can see, you're out in the rainforest. It gets even. Oh, I see water coming down. Hang on, see if we can get that. Oh, hang on. Sure, I can get a spot of it over there. Oh, maybe not. Kind of, sort of, maybe. Yeah. Water coming down over there. Well, as TLC said, especially on a day like today, don't go chasing waterfalls. But you gotta creep creep. I don't want no scrub.